Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We are a nonprofit that uses radio control to get kids excited about math and science. We've got our brand new to us ECX Ruckus with a brushless conversion in it. It's running the GoolRC 60 amp brushless combo here. It's rolling on Proline Super Swampers, and this is our first run with it. Got this off of eBay. It's a little sprinkling outside, but had to give this a run. Fresh out the box. Ooh. And I didn't want to damage this super pristine body. So I'm running it on the grass for now. This thing is a blast. This is why we love the Ruckus so much here at Racing to Learn. Grass is a little bit slick. It's currently sprinkling. I'll probably put the Proline trenchers on here just to get an apples to apples comparison of the GoolRC brushless compared to the stock taser system. So far, it seems on par. And again, hard to tell because we're running on a slick surface. But EC is very smooth. The throttle on it's very smooth. Actually, I guess it would be most accurate if we put on the stock ECX Ruckus tires. I don't know if there's some rubbing against the body, but there's a little bit of noise when I make. Yeah, it looks like there might be some rubbing against the body. We'll have to go check that out as well. Didn't check the offsets on these tires, but again, after 3 years of bashing this, the Slash, you've probably seen, or if you haven't, go check out our other videos. Oh, I think I might have just diagnosed the noise there. I think the front, there you go, you can actually see it there. The front wheel, when you turn, is hitting the body, and that's what's causing that rubbing sound. Okay. You're gonna catch it, or is it gonna catch you? So either we have to raise the body so that it clears those tires when they're turned, or we still want that full range of steering, so we don't want to reduce the dual rate on the steering. Woo. Can you flip it? Thanks, Elise. Yeah. So we've got a couple of things that we need to address on this truck, but minor issues. We might even switch back to the stock tires to see how they do. Actually, we know how they do, but how they do with the GoolRC ESC. We should probably open it up just to see what kind of pinion gear is on there. Probably still the stock. Uh-huh. Okay. I'm gonna do a quick temperature test. We've been running for about 6 minutes. Give me 1 second, Elise. I'm gonna see how hot this is, so we can do the finger test. I haven't been running it full bore, so yeah, not too hot. I can hold my hand to it, and it's not uncomfortably hot there. So, but again, I haven't been running at full speed here in the backyard. So stay tuned. Let us know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks again for watching.